My name is Pranav Channareddy, and today we'll be talking about WebP. WebP was an image formatting service created by Google on September 30th, 2010. It is currently free to use as long as you have a working Google Chrome search engine. Some competitors of this image formatting file include JPEG, PNG, RAW, TIFF, and TIFF, just to name a few. The advantages of WebP compared to others is the fact that it supports both lossy and lossless compression, allowing for easy compression methods depending on how big the file size is. Usually file sizes on WebP range between 34 kilobytes to 17 kilobytes. Average compression rate on WebP is 5.36%. It is quick in the fact that it facilitates easy transportation of your compressed image between you and your intended recipient. It is transparent in the fact that if your recipient receives a lossy compressed image, they can recreate that image to at least the original specs. The disadvantages of WebP is the fact that it requires Wi-Fi. A stable Wi-Fi connection is needed, otherwise the images won't show or won't be transported to the recipient. There are also some sharpness issues with WebP because it's a relatively new image formatting service. So, but then Google is working on fixes to the sharpness issues so it could be more competitive with its intended competitors. Thank you.